everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to attach an external microphone to the Nikon D3300 DSLR camera. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So that's right, how to attach an external microphone to this camera right here, which is the Nikon D3300 camera. An easy tutorial, but also complete tutorial. Let's get into this video. So if you take a look on the side of your camera, you're going to see a whole bunch of panels and stuff. You have obviously your battery panel at the bottom, just to show you what everything is. Your SD panel on the side over here. And on this side, you have a double panel. So you can see right here, you have your HDMI, and it's hard to see, but you have your HDMI AV out. So over here, you can plug in units to go and display the camera on your TV on an external monitor and so forth. But over here, you have two more options. You have this one down here that says Mike, which stands for, not me, because my name is Mike. My name is Michael Joseph Chimicata, the legend Michael Joseph Chimicata. Get that name in your head, because I'm going to be legendary, I promise you. But anyways, that's not for me. That's the microphone. That's what that mic stands for. But Mike owns a mic for the camera. Anyways, I have a microphone for the camera. Not here, I actually only have the cord for it, but the microphone's at home. And on top, you have a little icon for a mouse, which is like for a remote, as far as I understand. Now, when you open up that flap over there, you can see that down here, you have what looks like a headphone jack, and that's referred to as a 3.5mm audio port. So there's a 1/4-inch audio port, which is that bigger one, and there's a 3.5mm audio port, which is a smaller one, that looks like a sort of like a standard headphone jack. So you're gonna get your headphone, your microphone wire, which looks like a headphone jack, right? Your microphone wire, which is a 3.5mm audio output, and you're gonna insert it right there, which is the microphone input. The output goes into the input just like that. Make sure it's fully in there, so push it in, make sure you get that tactile click. And essentially, on the other end, you're going to have your microphone. And that's it. Now, like I said, on mine, I just have this cord, which I then use this as an extension cord to attach to my microphone. But, you know, that's it. On the other end, you're going to have your microphone. That's it. It's literally that simple. That is how to attach an external microphone to your Nikon D3300 DSLR camera. Really, really easy to do. And I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it throughout this video tutorial / explanation. Now, luckily for you, on a side note, that should stay clean. There shouldn't be any dirt and debris as long as you keep that flap closed. So that's my piece of advice to you. Keep that flap closed until you're ready to plug in a microphone. When you're ready to plug in the microphone, open it up, plug in your microphone, and you're good. When you're done with the microphone, remove the microphone cord and close that flap. That's how you keep dirt and debris out of there. And literally, that's it. If you like this video tutorial / explanation, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.